Hey folks, now we're going to get into sequencing, one of the most interesting and fun parts about HubSpot. But sequencing will be a little bit of a three-part task. So first, what we have to start with is actually not in automation, it's in conversations. We're going to go down to templates. And within templates, send your most repetitive emails in seconds. Well, good news. You can create your eventually automated emails in here too. So you're going to hit this big orange button, new template, or if you're going to make multiple, you can make new folder. In fact, let's make a new folder. Let's call this practice sequence emails. We're going to create that folder. And then within practice sequence emails, let's create a new template and let's create a few just so you really get the feel for it. So we'll call this practice one and we'll give it the same subject and we'll give it the same thing for the content. And why don't we, maybe I can just clone this a few times. There we go. Yeah. We'll clone it. And then we'll even clone it again so I can really show you guys what it's like to put together a sequence when we get to that point. So here in templates, you can see you can create these emails and it's really simple, really easy. Put whatever content you want in there, put whatever subject you want in there, who to share it with, what folder. You can insert any snippets, documents, meeting links, or videos. We'll get into that as well as we move on. You can personalize, so you can make it so the contact first name automatically pops up if you'd like to. You can see that right there. So it's really easily searchable, really easily customizable. You can include links and images. You can edit your email signature, all that good stuff. So here we've got our three beautiful templates, and that's really all you've got to do is go to templates under conversations, and then you'll be here. You can either create a new folder. If it's just a one-off email, you can just hit new template. And yeah, you can get to creating, get to really building out the kinds of emails that you want to send that are very repetitive. And I'll show you what to do with practice 1, practice 2, and practice 3, and how you can build a sequence using templates.
Thanks for watching and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.